For activity, I click here. Then I clicked on Turn Editing On. Then I clicked on Add Activity or Resource. Then I clicked on Quiz. I typed in name, week 1 quiz. Week 1 quiz. Then I typed in description, answer the following questions. The following questions. Then I clicked on timing. And change the date of opening the quiz. Enable. Then change the date, the 4th February. Then I clicked on Enable. Then I clicked on Grade. And entered 9. Grade to pass 9. Then I clicked on Review Options and unchecked these. Whether correct, marks, specific feedback, general feedback, right answer. 2 options are left: the attempt, overall feedback. Grade boundary, later while quiz is still open, unchecked the same. Then I clicked on overall feedback. Good job. I type in good job. Good job. Grade boundary 75%. And then clicked, and here I write feedback. Try again.